Can we talk about how difficult it is to sleep with a new hairdo, especially ponytails? So over the weekend, I thought to get my hair done, but first I'm going to do a prep, which is my usual wash and go routine. And I could have easily gone to the salon to do this, but they never ever get it right. So in order to avoid premium tears, I'm just going to do my thing myself. One of the goals I had in mind for my hair this year was to go to the salon more often and, do those hairstyles that I saved on Pinterest. I made it to the salon a few minutes past 10. I only had 1 hour to get my hair done because I had a makeup appointment at 11. Is it just me though, or that all these hairdressers or hairstylists, they all went to the same school? Because tell me why this guy's grape is so strong. Like, honey, it's just a simple ponytail. It's not that deep. Like, the ponytail doesn't have to be that tight. Come on, my edges are literally holding on to their dear life. And the bad part about this thing is that they never ever listen to you. And this is the final result. I hope you guys like it. I really do love it myself. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section. Please like, save this video, and follow me for more. And I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.